Hello friends, welcome back once again. In the last lecture we have already learned about how to extract number and text in a given format like this one. Here the number is given on the right side while the text is on the left side. There is no mix of number, text and text number. It is in a particular fashion, but in this case, as I said, we will be covering in this chapter. So in this one the pattern is not uniform. Here Excel is written there, then there is some number, then there is some text, then again there is a number, there is a text and number, and then there is again text, like that. Here also number is in the middle of two texts, and here and so on. So we are going to cover this in a separate way. First thing, the concept is all same, but first thing we have to do is that we have to assign each of the characters in this given text to an array. So to pass an array, we can use the formula. Instead of writing the complete formula from left to right all together, we will be starting writing the formula from the middle, so that you understand how each function is working. Okay, so the first function which we are going to use is row and then bracket indirect. And how to use indirect, we can learn that one in separate chapter, that is a little bit advanced, so we'll be learning some other day. You only see how it works, okay? And then this indirect function is going to give some specified reference. Okay, this is going to make the array, we have to use this fixed formula, that is this one, and then ampersand, then length, because how many array it will have will depend on the length of the text. So we have to pass the length and this one. Now let's see how it works. F9, see it is giving 21 array, means Excel 2019 version 19 is having Excel 2019 version 19 is having 21 characters, 21 positions, what to say, 21 positions. So it is as creating 21 arrays here, okay? And if it is created for this one, it will have separate number. Now let's undo it and continue writing the remaining formula. Then we have to find the position, mid, and then what is the text, this text, and then start number will be this one, and number of character will be starting from 1. Okay, and now let's see it how it is working. Now Excel 2019 version 19 is assigned to each character including the space. Okay, let's undo it again. We can convert this mix of Excel, a mix of text and number, into a number by multiplying, by doing any mathematical function. That function we can be doing by either by plus something 0, it will also do it. Let's see it. So if any number is added by 0, it will remain as it is, but if any text or any space is added by 0, then it will give value error. Okay, now value error has already given, so we will pass another function that is called is number. Is number, we are checking if the given arrays are all number or not. Is number, it will gives you false if the character is value is not number. We have already found out that texts are giving false and numbers are giving true. So we will again check, we will again pass apply another formula, that is if this test is equal to false, then we will simply copy this formula, because this is going to give you the text. Else now it is giving Excel version, only text has remained here. Now all the numbers has been removed. It's not actually removed, but because of the condition of if, the number has been replaced by space. and Excel and version is separated by so many spaces. Now we have to remove the spaces and bring Excel version as a simple word. So to bring it, we have to use another function called concat. It will concat all the text. Concat, or you can also use text join, but text join is having some other condition like delimiter, so we are just using concat. Here another bracket close, and let's see what output it gives. Now it is giving Excel version. Now this space we can trim using another function, like we will use trim. It will remove all the extra spaces. Now it is coming Excel version, except one space is in between Excel and version, others spaces has been removed. Now we can copy the same thing in the rest of the cell, and it will give exactly only the text. Now to find out the number, we need to copy this formula, because there is no separate formula, only this set formula, and we need to change one condition. And before we write, let's change this one to B, because cell number should be B, should remain constant, B22. All right, then here also, go, we didn't freeze it, otherwise should be working same, B, then B. Hopefully it is finished, and this false condition should be now changed to true. All right, and then hit enter. It will give only numbers. That's it. Here we use how many functions? I think around 8 functions we use it. So it is very rare that you get to know 8 functions in one single formula. Like here we are using row, then indirect, then mid, then len, then is number, then if, concat, and trim. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are literally using 8 functions in one single formula. So you are learning not just one but 8 functions, one single task. Try to understand what is the function of each one. Let me repeat once again. The row is going to give you the row number, and then indirect, we are passing a reference. That reference we are passing as an array, and number length of the array will be decided by the len. Len is giving the length of the total characters in the given text. Okay, and then mid is going to find the position of each and every character in the text. Then is number is checking if the given range, given value is number or text. If it is number, then it will say true. If it is not number, then it will say false. So then if condition is checking if it is false or true. If it is false, then it give the text. If it is true, then give the number. Then concat is adjoining all the text or number together, which is separated by many other spaces. And when there is more than one more spaces, we are removing those extra spaces with trim function. So this is how we can extract number from text in a given mixed string, text string, in a very easy way. You practice it again and again so that you become familiar with each and every function we are using here. And once you started understand concept of each function, then it will be very easy for anyone to do. This is how we can extract number and text from any given mixed text strings very easily using this function. I hope you liked and you understood very well. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe my channel, and also do comment that what kind of video you would like me to create and bring for you. So I will try to make those videos also. And that's it for this lecture. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.